What is up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to WP Workshop. Carol here. I just wanted to show you 4 main things that you can do with Pheasantly Queued Publication, a plugin of mine that lets you queue posts for publication. So number 1, you can create recurring publication slots. And that's pretty simple. Just go into queue posts and in here, just pick a day, set the hour, and then just add a slot. You will probably want to add more than one. So yeah, maybe Friday, 8 AM, maybe Wednesday, 11 AM. And that is it. Number 2, you're gonna want to queue some posts for publication using those slots. Let's go to drafts. Let's pick the first draft and let's just click queue for publication. Let's queue for next slot. And that is pretty much it. You've just queued this post for the next available opening. Number 3, let's pick a specific publication slot. So again, let's go to a draft. Let's click the same button and in here, let's pick a slot. And the list you're gonna see is the list of the 10 nearest available publication slots. So just pick one and click queue. And final thing, number 4, let's review the posts that we've just scheduled. So let's go into queue posts again and in here into queued posts. So if you go here, you're gonna see all your scheduled posts. If you click any of them, you're gonna go straight into the editing screen. So yeah, that is it. Those are the 4 main things that you can do with Pheasantly Queued Publication. So let me know what you think. Go ahead, test it out. If you like it, leave a review. It's gonna help a lot. And in the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm Karol. You can find me at wpwork.shop and see you next time.